In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the search engine to DuckDuckGo on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar and then go down and select where it says Settings. You can alternatively select the Command and comma key as well to open up this window. And then you would select the Search tab versus Search Engine. Click the drop down and select DuckDuckGo. You may also want to use it in the private browsing mode as well. Keep that check marked in that case. Please note this does not change the home page. That is a different setting. And once you're done, just close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.